Ever feel like your dev team is talking in tongues? Miscommunication can cost you over $100,000 in project delays. Let's break down why that happens and how you can fix it. Miscommunication is a huge roadblock between founders and developers. When Plaid was scaling, their engineers got so wrapped up in complicated back-end stuff that they completely missed the mark on user experience and business goals. This disconnect cost them about $200K in lost opportunities because their priorities were all out of whack. Similarly, when Stripe was developing new features, they faced a $1.5 million setback due to unclear specifications. Founders often reach out to us at gotyourtech.ai, looking for ways to bridge this gap. If you don't nail down clear communication, you're not just delaying projects, you could be throwing away valuable chances to grab market share. Take Airbnb, for instance. They learned the hard way that misalignment between their product and engineering teams led to a $2 million loss in potential revenue during their early days. In fact, a recent study showed that companies with poor communication experience, 20% lower productivity, and 50% higher employee turnover. The stakes are high, and the cost of miscommunication can ripple through your organization, affecting not just the current project, but future growth as well. It's essential to establish a framework for dialogue that keeps everyone aligned on objectives and priorities. Consider implementing regular feedback loops and collaborative tools, as these can significantly reduce misunderstandings and enhance project outcomes. Get your developers aligned by setting clear goals from the get-go. It sounds simple, but it's a strong strategy that pays off. When everyone knows what we're aiming for, there's way less room for misunderstandings. Use tools like Figma to create visual prototypes. They help everyone see the end product and keep developers on the same page. Founders I've worked with, like those at Notion, realize that these strategies lead to smoother workflows and happier teams. For example, Notion's team saw a 30% increase in productivity after implementing regular check-ins and visual aids in their development process. Additionally, companies like Asana have reported that using project management tools can reduce task miscommunication by up to 45%. But let's not kid ourselves. Navigating this can be tough if you're not technical. That's why bringing in some expert help can really make a difference. Companies like AWS provide consulting services that can help bridge the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders. By leveraging these resources, you can ensure that your team is not just working hard, but working smart. It's about creating an environment where communication flows freely and everyone feels empowered to contribute. Remember, successful collaboration is not just about tools. It's also about fostering a culture of openness and shared responsibility. Technical doubts can be a killer for your business. You can't afford to skimp on your tech foundation if you want to grow. If you're stuck on what to do next, hit up gotyourtech.ai. They provide AI-powered second opinions to help you navigate your tech problems. Making smart tech decisions will save you time and money, letting you focus on what really matters, growing your business.